Hey crafty friends, Jamie here with Not Too Shabby. I am so excited to share a sneak peek of what's coming for our September Paper Pad Club, especially the I Want It All option. You'll definitely want to hear about the bonus for September. Remember, you'll get the bonus 3x4 stamp set when you sign up monthly for the I Want It All option. Now, that option includes the 2 paper pads, the 1 pack of a coordinating ephemera, and the 4x6 monthly stamp set. It's the easiest way to stay inspired and always have matching papers for your projects. And here's the fun part. Spots for the Paper Pad Club, the I Want It All option, will open on September 1st. But you can get on the waitlist right now. I've linked the waitlist down in the description box, so make sure you sign up before it fills up because spots are limited. And if you're a current subscriber of the I Want It All option for our Paper Pad Club, I've got you covered because you're getting the bonus stamp included in your September package. We wanted to treat our new subscribers as well as our loyal subscribers. So if you're thinking about joining the Paper Pad Club, now is the perfect time. Sign up for the waitlist today so you don't miss your chance when those spots open on September 1st. Remember, spots are limited and they do go fast. I'm going to play some music while you enjoy the coloring. Meet me back on the other side because I cannot wait to show you the finished card. It turned out so cute.
Grab your glue, it's that time of year. Pumpkin vibes and crafty cheer. Paper pads with foxes and trees. Ephemera that's sure to please. We've got hedgehogs, mugs and leaves. Cocoa cups and cozy sleeves. Fall in love with every pack. You wanna craft and never look back. It feels like fall and not too shabby.
Rustic colors, gold and spice, crisp designs that look so nice. Die-cut pumpkins, woodland flair. We've got new goodies everywhere.
Add some twine and a belly band. That fall box fits right in your hand. Make a gatefold card or treat with paper this cute you can't be beat. It feels like fall and not too shabby. Pumpkin spice and crafting savvy.
Squirrel hugs and forest friends. Let your handmade magic never end. Crisp like leaves and sweet like pie.
Our fall release will make you sigh. So grab your stash and let's begin. Fall craft and joy from outside in.
So grab your stash and let's begin.
Fall craft and joy from outside in. It feels like fall and not too shabby. Sweater weather makes me happy.
Cut and layer, stamp and play. Let those autumn cards brighten your day. So much joy in every piece.
It feels like fall and not too shabby. Pumpkin spice and crafting savvy.
Squirrel hugs and forest friends. Let your handmade magic never Pumpkin spice in patterned sheets, crisp fall days in cozy seats. Cutting glue, then stamp some more. Crafting magic I just adore. Cider's warm and the paper's bright. Ephemera tucked in just right. Leaves are falling, oh what fun. Crafting till the day is done. Pumpkins, paper, cozy vibes. Crafting joy that always thrives. Layered tags and shaker flair. Autumn love is in the air. Die cut dreams and warm play tones in my crafty pumpkin zone. Ooh, bubble go. Foxes, mugs, and sweater stamps. Fall colors glowing like little lamps. From leafy garlands to thankful cards, each one made with all my heart. Candles flickering, twines in place. That rustic charm, that paper grace. Every scrap's a little gold. A story of fall just waiting to be told. Pumpkins, paper, cozy vibes. Layered love in every stripe. Harvest hues and glitter too. Craft in fall with you know who. Apple pie and handmade bliss. Fall crafting's too sweet to miss. So grab your glue and stay a while. Let's make fall magic, not too shabby style. Ooh, da 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 da. Pumpkin spice in patterned sheets, crisp fall days in cozy seats. Cut and glue, then stamp some more. Crafting magic I just adore. Cider's warm and the paper's bright. Ephemera tucked in just right. Leaves are falling, oh what fun. Crafting till the day is done. Pumpkins, paper, cozy vibes. Crafting joy that always thrives. Layer tags and shaker flair. Autumn love is in the air. Die cut dreams and warm plaid tones in my crafty pumpkin zone. Foxes, mugs, and sweater stamps. Fall colors glowing like little lamps. From leafy garlands to thankful cards, each one made with all my heart. Candles flickering, twines in place. The rustic charm, that paper grace. Every scrap's a little gold. A story of fall just waiting to be told. Pumpkins, paper, cozy vibes. Layered love in every stripe. Harvest hues and glitter too. Craft and fall with you know who. Apple pie and handmade bliss. Fall crafting's too sweet to miss. So grab your glue and stay a while. Let's make fall magic, not too shabby style.
Okay, now for the fun part. Let's arrange all of our images. I'm going to glue my mats together first, and then we will get to making a really cute scene with all these coffee critters. So I love to use the Barely Art glue. I stock that in the shop. It's such a great glue. I love it because it doesn't leave any glue lines, which is my number one pet peeve when I'm using glue. So I love this glue. So I'm going to glue down the first image, and this is the image with that cute little hedgehog barista serving up some coffee. Then I'm going to create the scene around the tree. So I'm going to pop up my cute little bunny, and he's drinking a giant cup of coffee. I'm going to put that in the corner, and then we're going to have our little sign. I love this sign. It says, "Today's brew, acorn spice latte." Isn't that perfect for a critter cafe? So I'm going to pop up our little fox. Our fox is heading on over to grab his cup of coffee. His name must have been called, so he can't wait to get his acorn spice latte. I'm going to make sure I don't cover up too much of that cute sign that is dangling down from the tree branch. Then I have a spot perfect for a sentiment. So I picked out the cutest little sentiment, and that sentiment comes from your bonus stamp set. Made with love and caffeine. And this card was definitely made with lots of love and caffeine. So we'll position our fox just right. And then I'm going to put some finishing touches on this card. I want to scatter leaves all around the card like it's a nice fall day at the Critter Cafe. I'm going to pop up my leaves so it looks like they're falling over the scene. I love doing this. There's also a little acorn in the stamp set, so I put that down there. I thought it was fitting for the sign of the acorn spice latte. So they must go around the forest and pick up acorns to make their special lattes. So I do have another card for you, but to keep this video shorter, I'm going to upload that card separately, and it is using the bonus stamp set, and I think you're going to love that as well. So stay tuned for that. Remember, the link to the waitlist is in the description box for you. Just add your name to that waitlist, and I will be sending out an email on the 1st reminding you that spots are open.